Hey everybody, this is George of the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1966 Chevy Nova. This baby pops. The purpose of these virtual test drive videos are for potential buyers to get a little better look of it outside. How does it run? How does it sound while it's going through the gears? If you want all the other information, when we're done here, go on over to volocars.com. We have a whole write-up, hundreds of other pictures, undercarriage, engine compartment, everything, and all the detailed specs and the pricing. Then when you get done with that, give our sales a call. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on your dream car. This thing is beautiful. The interior looks brand new. Buckle up real quick. I like the little emoji as a gear shift handle. Now I work in the shop, so this is the first time myself or anyone from inside there gets to take this out on the road. So we get to see right now if there's any quirks, anything we need to fix. But overall, the interior, nothing doing here. Like I said, this looks brand new. Seats are comfortable, has your cup holders, updated stereo. Let's kick it over. Has the cluster gauges up here updated. Has the updated radio. Fan kicks on. It's all right. I'm gonna start out going a little slow, just getting the feel for it. And then later on in the video, I will be opening it up. Not too much. We don't have a racetrack around here, but steers with ease. Shift super easy. No playing the wheel. The moment you turn a little bit, you start heading that way. Drive straight. This vehicle is gorgeous. Real solid. The only noise I hear going on here is the keychain rattling. That road's pretty bumpy. Wow. I knew this car looked beautiful, but I didn't know it was going to drive like this. Brakes feel nice, not too hard, not too soft. All right, we'll get on it a little bit here, get a feel for it. Put in fifth gear just to show. Oh. God, this is fun. Like I said, the steering feels great. The clutch is awesome. The brakes. I can't find anything about this I don't like. Wow. He's got some power. Oh, I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Like I said, go on over to volocars.com. Check out all the video or the pictures that we have, the write-up, and make sure you click subscribe and turn on the notifications on the YouTube channel. As always, I appreciate you.